Robert Moody. We're talking a little bit about our March 9th event, which is our Step Aboard. We have a few updates coming for you guys, so what do you guys want to tell the people?
Well, number one, I love cameras, so I'm glad that there's a camera here today.
Great.
Yeah, so we have Step Aboard on March the 9th right here. We're actually sitting on a 500 fly galleon. Really a unique opportunity for everybody. I know we've said this 100 times, but we don't sea trial our big yachts very often, but we want everybody to experience everything that Galleon and Azimuth are offering us. But yeah, so we're here on the 500, which I'm sure is going to be kind of the crown jewel of the event between this and the 50 fly Azimuth. So what do we got? What models are we going to have, and what else?
Well, we had a lot of models, but it's been a very good start off for the season right now, and a few models have been sold already.
Why don't we walk through the dock real quick?
Let's take a quick look, see what we're going to have.
I'm going to jump down right here.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
You can do this in the water if you buy this boat and you're on the lake. Splash!
Love it. So the 470 Sky was going to be on the demo day thing, but when they had that red tag on them, well, they don't get sea trialed anymore. So congratulations to the new owner. We don't get to sea trial it, but hey, we'll have the 500 fly there in the galleon line. So let's walk over this way and check out some more.
You notice there's no signs on the restaurant, so which is there's somebody new coming in. We're really excited about that. We're out here at Pier 121 Marina.
Yeah, it'd be nice when the new restaurant gets here. We've heard some really good things about the new menu.
That's going to be very versatile, so we're super excited about that. New things for everybody.
So Robert, we have two boats on the dock, right? Two galleons that were going to be part of the Step Aboard event.
Right.
These next two have actually been sold and going to Florida to new owners. So not actually sold here, not going to be on the lake. 470 will stay here on the lake, but the 485 I think is going somewhere out in South Florida, and I think the 405 is as well. So.
Yep.
Definitely one of my favorites, the 50 fly Azimuth. I think that's going to be a really cool treat to be able to go out and just sea trial Italian styling, luxury. You know, when you get on these things, they're just super tight. Design, fit, finish.
You got to come inside and see the interior of the boats. They do a phenomenal job with the interior and fixtures, everything, upholstery, even the outside with a nice paint job on it and the mirrored glass. It's all Italian art. The whole boat is Italian art.
Ariana, she loves the mirrors. So
I do love the mirrors.
It's like the best part for her. So come on out. Yeah, so the Galleon 405, congratulations to its new owner as well. I believe it's going to the Fort Lauderdale area. So that won't be part of the event, but definitely another galleon. You know, there's a lot of activity on the galleon product right now for sure. And then Robert, we've got the 43 Atlantis. Now, I'm sitting here kind of looking through this. Now, the 470 was in the Dallas Boat Show.
Right.
Quite a few people have had the opportunity to walk through both that and this 43 Azimuth. Where's this one going?
This one's staying right here in Lake Louisville.
Cool.
Yes, like the 470. Both are at the Dallas Boat Show. Both are going to stay right here in Lake Louisville.
Yeah.
Really excited about that.
So congratulations to the new owner of that too. So we're going to have about 6 boats on sea trial and have the ability to take those in and out. They were going to be scheduled throughout the day. Obviously now we're going to run more sea trials on both the 50 fly and the 500 fly galleon. So we're looking forward to having you there. Make sure you go online and RSVP for the event. Or give me or Robert or Ariana a call, stop by the office, and we'd love to have you out. Can't wait to see you. Thanks, guys, for coming along.
Bye,
On behalf of the Yacht Center, see you.
Bye.